Hello my beauties. So today I'm going to be doing my very first hair tutorial and I'm going to do a crimp hairstyle for you all. Yeah, so this is going to be super fun. So today I'm going to be using my Bedhead TG Wave Artist crimping iron, and I got this from Walmart. It was super affordable. I believe it was under 30 bucks. And I'm also going to be using my Remington iron, so Remington flat iron, for my leave out, you know, to make it blend a little better. And I'm going to use a little bit of this Tresemme, it's Tress 2 Spray Extra Hold, just to give that crimp, you know, a little hold so it'll stay throughout the day. So let's get started. So yeah, when I first start doing my hair, I like to get my hair fairly straight by just combing through it, getting all the tangles out, and you know, just starting from a fresh head of hair. The last couple of weeks, I've worn my hair bone straight. You know, so I've styled it quite a bit, but it was clamped up for a few days, and so I had to go ahead and comb through it. After I comb through it, I like to go ahead and separate my hair, leave a lower layer to work with, and then pin up the rest so that I can focus on what's down. So I really like to go ahead and spray my hair, as you can see. With the holding spray, go ahead and comb through it, and then I start the process of crimping the hair, just so that it has that product in there, and then when the heat hits it, it creates a hold, and it just works for me, and that's what I like to do. And what I found is to just crimp the hair and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. My iron gets really hot, but I like to go ahead and hold it for 10-15 seconds. It is, you know, a timely style. It takes a little bit of time to do, but if you're just patient, you can, you know, put on a video, put on some music, and just really enjoy doing your hair. Doing my hair is super therapeutic for me, so it's something I don't mind taking a while to do it.
Open up, tear you out for fall. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for fall. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heartache complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya.
As you all can see, I start from the back of my hair, and I do the back piece first and crimp down, and then I leave that in the back, push it to the back after it's crimped. Then I go ahead and get the second grouping of hair, and then I crimp that and I move it to the back to get it out of the way. So I like to work from the back of my head to the front. It just helps me keep everything in order and everything out of the way, and make sure that I'm getting all of the straight hair crimped.
impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya.
I'll go ahead and give it another spray down just to give it that extra hold. You guys see these crimps are looking good, baby. So yeah, I go back up to the clamped up hair. Go ahead and take another layer down. Clamp the rest up, get it out of the way. And you're gonna do what you did for the bottom layer. You're going to, spray the hair down, comb it out, separate the sides, and you're gonna start from the back, crimping down, leave it, push it to the back, get the next pieces of hair, crimp it down, throw it to the back, and work your way to the front.
Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate, exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open.
So we're almost done with this layer. Oh my goodness, I was burning up. That iron gets hot. Seriously, I was sweating. But are you guys noticing how simple this is? You don't have to be a professional to crimp your hair. You don't. I try to always let people know doing your hair does not have to be super hard. You just have to be patient. Sometimes take your time, and you have to practice. Practice makes perfect. I'm far from perfect, but I do try to do my best on my hair because I want to look good when I go out. I want to look good just, for my daily life, and it just makes you feel good when you look good. So it looks like I'm finishing up here on this second layer almost. It's taking me a little while, but we're getting there.
If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's open. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest. And it's hard to
Now we're on our last layer. I bet you guys thought we'd never get done, and we're almost done. So yeah, like the first and second layer, spraying it down with the extra hold spray, combing the hair out, and putting the crimp iron on it. Working from the back, going to the front.
open up. Tell you out for fall. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN.
So I love beeswax. This is what I use on my hair. I have natural hair. I don't have extremely thick hair, so that makes it easier to straighten. But just taking a dab of this beeswax and putting it on my hair and then straightening it, it really puts shine on my hair and it makes my hair stay straight. Not only for one day, but my hair will remain straight for several days. And I have the type of texture where usually a little bit of humidity, a little bit of heat, and my hair will go poof. Like it will just fizzle, it'll fizzle up. But with this beeswax, wow, it just stays. It's like when you were a kid and your grandma presses your hair and it just stays and you're like, wow, how did that work? This beeswax, baby, it works for the girl. And as you can see, I've gone over my edges just a little bit, just give them a little bit of heat just to get them straight. Now my edges, they're gonna get a little, they're gonna fizzle up a little bit throughout the day. I sweat a lot, so yeah, my hair is gonna go poof around the edges, but it's not really that bad at all. I promise. So look, I am done. Guys, I love this style. It's so pretty. I used to always see girls on Instagram with these cute crimps, and I was like, how do I get them? But now the girl knows how to get these crimps, baby. She's doing it. She's doing it. Guys, this is the finished product. This is how you get your hair crimped. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I look forward to doing more hair tutorials for you all. But I will see you guys next time. Bye.